So you got suspended on eBay and want to sell again on eBay. In this video, I will show you what do you need to create an eBay stealth account and what is the future of eBay stealth accounts. For those who don't know who is stealth account, many people believe that stealth account is created on a person that doesn't exist, and it's wrong. It's also not the account created on your friend or relative, because stealth account is an account created on your own name, but eBay can't tell that you had an account before, and that it's the truth. You can ask me any question in the comments down below. I will answer it properly if this question won't repeat so many times. And also don't forget to look at our description, because we have prepared a full guide step by step how to create eBay stealth accounts with managed payments. This book includes 60 pages with valuable information about how to create eBay stealth accounts step by step. You will also learn how to create eBay stealth accounts with high limits like 100,000 or 2 billion in limits. So we begin. So the very main problem is that people are getting newbie suspensions right after they registered their eBay account. There was a pretty low amount of newbie suspensions in the past years, but for now it's like 50%. Like if you are creating an account in eBay, you get suspended 50% of the time. So half the time you create an eBay account, you will be suspended. My forecast that in the near future only 1% of the account will remain healthy and not suspended. So the best time to create eBay stealth account is now. Here is the truth about eBay stealth accounts. You've been suspended not because you had an account before. This is happening to all eBay sellers, even if you are starting with a fresh new eBay account for the first time. If you tried to create a stealth account and you had been suspended, it doesn't mean you make mistakes somewhere, it just happens. And of course you've been suspended not because you're unlucky, it happens to everyone and you have to deal with it. Before I go to the stealth process creation basics and what do you need to prepare, I highly suggest you to comment down below all your questions so I can respond it properly. If you want to create an eBay stealth account and learn how to create step by step, you should check our guide in the description. And now we begin. So what do you need to create an eBay stealth account? 90% people are doing it right, but they got suspended and they are thinking that they did something wrong. Here's the things you need to prepare to create an eBay stealth account, and you don't need a new computer. You only need a new user in your personal computer or any other computer. You just have to separate those accounts from your previously. Of course, you will need new email and phone number. You also need a new IP address, and it can be anything from VPN to dynamic IP. You don't need a complete new address. You can change a bit the street name. For example, if you are writing street, you can write STR. And of course, the last one, you need a new bank information, because that's what eBay reads and can see. To begin with eBay stealth, I have one golden rule everyone must follow. Change everything but first and last name, date of birth. You can actually create an account on your own name even you were suspended before. And the only not sensitive information is your first and last name and date of birth. Everything other must be changed. I know you have many questions, so I have answered it here. Many people ask me, but eBay has my documents already. How can I pass this? The truth is eBay got your documents. They received it and they may deny it and you got suspended. But eBay don't store your documents. They only check it if it's legit and delete it from their database. It means if you make a new picture of your passport, ID or driver license, it will pass the verifications, unless eBay will ask you to provide an ID number. This is very rare occasion, and eBay don't ask to provide ID number. If this will happen, just skip this part and create a new account. Also, people are telling me that they were suspended multiple times in the past and they are afraid that their names may be blacklisted, and this is not true. There are millions of people with same names and same date of births. eBay just can't track and can't link accounts with same names and same date of birth. So if you follow this guide, if you follow the main rules, you will be good. If you don't know where to get new IP address, I highly suggest you to purchase a modem that rotates your IP. It calls dynamic IP. So every time you refresh your modem, it gets you a new fresh IP that you can use for your eBay. If you don't have this option, I leave the link in the description for the best VPN in the market to create an eBay stealth account. And don't get me wrong, but don't use IP burgers or any other well-known IP providers. For the last question, I don't have an answer because it just happens. It's automated system and you will get suspended even if you did everything right, but you have to keep trying. It's not a person that decides that this account must be suspended. It's automated system, it's artificial intelligence that it's getting harder and harder, and in the near future 1% of accounts may pass the newbie suspension. That's why I'm telling that it is the best time to create stealth accounts because you will need it for the future. Once you created your eBay account, eBay stealth account, I highly suggest to start with your first listing. Don't wait for weeks or months. You don't need to warm up the account, but follow the rules. If you are going to list your first item, avoid stock pictures. It means you have to find something in your home to picture it, to make it your own picture and list it on eBay. If you are dropshipper, your item location matters. So for example, if you are registered on ebay.com and you have a France location, make sure your item location in your listing is France. Don't push eBay too hard and don't list Apple iPhones or AirPods or something that is high risk. List low risk items so that your account can be healthy for at least 1 month. And of course, if you are creating multiple eBay accounts, there must be different accounts and different settings. What I mean by saying that, if you are going to choose a shipping for United States domestic shipping for 2 weeks, for other account choose domestic shipping and international shipping. In the one account you should use paid shipping, charge buyers for the shipping. In the other account you use free shipping. That's how you variate and differentiate. In the near future, when it's getting harder to create eBay stealth accounts, multi-access feature in eBay will help you. But for now there is very less information about this, but once I find a way how to use it for eBay stealth accounts properly without getting suspension and without using VPN or other IP addresses, I will gladly share with you. If you are curious why eBay stealth is getting harder, in my opinion it is because eBay is getting more like Amazon, and Amazon is very strict. In the future, you may be only registered your eBay account by entering your ID number or company number, but this won't affect your existing accounts. If you will input your ID number or company number in eBay any field during the registration, this way they can track you down. Remember, I told you that eBay can track you down by your first and last name and date of birth, because it can be multiple people with the same name, but if you are entering your ID number, it's a red flag. So if eBay requests it for some time, you have to think about if it's worth to enter your ID and give it to eBay. But don't worry, there will always be a solution for that. We are working with eBay stealth accounts for 7 years and we totally understand how it is difficult for new people that came and got suspended and had to create eBay stealth account, but there is always a solution. We have successfully created hundreds of eBay accounts in the past 7 years. So this is your chance. If you have any question, I will be answering in comments of this video. So ask your question properly and have a nice day.